Hi, greetings everyone. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about working with windows that you have open on your computer. So right now, I have four pieces of software open. I have the Outlook email, I have the Outlook calendar, I have Google Chrome, and the tool that I'm using to do these recordings is something called Camtasia. So I have four pieces of software open on my computer. Right now on the screen, you see my calendar window open from Microsoft Outlook. If you observe up in the top right-hand corner, we have a minus sign, two squares, and an X. The X closes it. The minus sign minimizes this window down to the bottom taskbar. If I want to take this and make it smaller, I can click on the two squares, and what I've done is I've done what's called a restore. I've restored it down to a smaller size. Now I can drag this and make it bigger or smaller. I can make it smaller than the whole screen size to make it work within the way I want to work, so I can resize it. But to make it take up the whole window again, I'm going to go up and click on Maximize. Now, because I have four windows open, right now, let's say I want to take those four windows and make them all the same size and have them appear right on this screen. Well, if I take my pointer, put it back on the two squares that normally in the old days we would use to restore the window down to the smaller size it was when we started. But now we have some options. Here, we have different options the way we can split our screens. So I'm going to choose all four. And what you're going to see is that it took Microsoft, I'm sorry, Outlook's calendar, Outlook's email, the Camtasia, which I'm recording with right now, and Google Chrome and put them all together. If I go back up to this square, I can maximize things again, but this is a quick way to sort of restore things down to equal sizes within this one screen. Now, I got to be honest, this is something I rarely, if ever, use, but it's just one of those things that, is a feature that you can make available to you just by using that little restore square, which is two small squares sort of overlapping. Or if you want to maximize the window, you click on the square in the top right hand corner of the window to have it take up the whole screen. So I'm not really sure sometimes why these things are important, but sometimes they're just there and you might have a curiosity about it. And that's what I really want to talk about. I just want to bring that out so you could use it and maybe play with it and see if it works for you. Me, I don't know if I'm going to use it that much, probably not, but it's just one of those things. Okay, my friends, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.